Two Yorkie Poos ready to go now. This is a little male carrying that little ball around. Let me get down. Hey, buddy.
It's light, isn't it?
And there it is. And then that's a little female right here. So again, a male and a female ready to go now. Hi, honey. Hi, sugar. She likes to follow me. Now that's the female. And then the one chewing on the ball is the male. Oh, she's gonna get it. Oh, she got it. Now this is the little female, and again ready to go now. Oh, there's the male. He is gonna get it. That's the male. And here's a little female. Oh, she wants me. Little female right here. So male and female right there. Oh, now she's got it. Oh, she's carrying it around. Okay.